Hey, so you want to make money on Gumroad? Whether you're a creator, designer, or teacher, Gumroad makes selling digital products super easy. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to start earning online. First, decide what you want to sell. It can be digital products like ebooks, courses, software, music, or even physical items if you want. Sign up for a Gumroad account with your email or Google account. Verify your email to unlock full selling features. Go to your dashboard and click Add a Product. Upload your digital file or add details for a physical product. Make sure to provide clear title, description, and cover image. Choose a price for your product. You can go with fixed pricing, pay what you want, or even free with optional payment. Connect your PayPal or bank account in payout settings so you can receive earnings directly. Double-check your email and details to avoid issues. Share your product link on social media, email newsletters, online communities, and blogs. Use free methods first and focus on providing value to attract buyers. Respond to questions, feedback, and messages from buyers. Good support builds trust, encourages repeat buyers, and increases earnings. Use Gumroad Analytics to see what's working. Check traffic, sales, and buyer behavior. Adjust your product, description, or promotions to maximize earnings. Once you make your first sale, consider adding more products or upsells. The more value you provide, the more money you can make on Gumroad. So yeah, that's how you make money on Gumroad. Pick a product, upload it, price it right, promote smartly, and engage with buyers. With consistency, your earnings can grow over time.